Every day, numerous environmental professionals dedicate themselves to the precious water resources we live on. Now, they are equipped with a smart platform. A new intelligent robot is going to replace manual operation with automatic water sampling and monitoring abilities. This is the autonomous water sampling and monitoring boat developed by OceanAlpha. The autonomous system consists of a hull, intelligent remote controller, and base station. Users can edit sampling and monitoring missions through the remote controller or base station. Real-time data can be communicated simultaneously with advanced algorithms, GNSS and environment detecting system. OceanAlpha unmanned boat can work autonomously and independently with a cruising speed up to 3 meters per second. The modular design of the power system enables a convenient installation and maintenance. Built-in high-capacity lithium polymer battery ensures 10-hour endurance and 100 kilometers cruising distance. Catamaran hull design brings great stability, while high-strength fiberglass with Kevlar bulletproof fabric coating makes a robust and anti-corrosive body. The light and compact boat can be easily carried by 2 persons. For a startup, the users just need to download the map of the water area and set the waypoints of sampling and monitoring. The unmanned boat will be navigated automatically and operate standard water sampling and water quality monitoring. The software can output a water quality distribution map to help professionals obtain overall water quality information quickly, which plays an important role in pollution source tracking. OceanAlpha autonomous boat is able to avoid collision intelligently. With real-time data and video communication, user can access all information on mission status. After the mission is complete, the autonomous boat can output a working report and save data for future management according to different sampling needs and water environments. OceanAlpha is capable of offering multifunctional, autonomous water quality sampling and monitoring boats in various sizes. Customized design is possible depending on users' requirements. Environmental professionals can greatly increase their working efficiency and safety by using the autonomous boat. With innovative solutions and a deep understanding of the user environment, OceanAlpha has successfully served customers from government agencies, industry companies, research institutes, universities, etc. Water, the source of our life, is getting strategically important to all countries. OceanAlpha autonomous boat could be a great solution to support humans' work in diversified water environments, such as rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and offshore. Our goal is to monitor water quality in an efficient and reliable way, to protect our water environment with intelligent technology, and to make the world a better place.